An annual eye exam is recommended for everyone. Exams will not only help you stay up to date with your prescription needs, but if you're suffering from itching, burning, or eye redness, that specialists at Houston Eye Professionals can offer relief for your dry eyes needs. And they are conveniently located inside the Galleria next to Nordstrom. Well, Dr. Marianne Tran is here with us today, and we're chatting about the importance of healthcare when it comes to your eyes. Let's jump right in. What is IPL?
IPL is basically our intense pulse light that has been phenomenal for our dry eye patients. So first originated as a dermatological tool for patients with rosacea, and patients would basically come back after this treatment saying that their eyes felt better. So now more recently it's been used to treat dry eye. Basically it uses a couple of infrared to mid-infrared light that we pulse right here in the cheek region, and our patients basically come back with great improvement of their dry eye symptoms.
This might be a silly question, but how does that work?
Yeah, so everyone basically has these glands, and the whole point of the glands are to produce an oily part of your tears. Those oily parts help to prevent evaporation of the tears, and sometimes with age, environmental factors, different diseases, those glands can kind of clog up. So what the instrument does is that it provides some pulse lights in that region to kind of declog those glands and just kind of give it a restart.
Okay, so I'm talking about the demo. Who are the candidates perfect for this treatment?
Yeah, for sure. So dry eye has been shown to be increased risk in patients with rosacea, in patients with thyroid issues, lots of different other medications used. But, you know, really and truly, it's seen in a lot of patients nowadays with the pandemic. We've been in very much a digital age, meaning that we've been on the computers, tablets, we can go on and on about that, right? And so when we're on these instruments, our blinking basically is reduced. We tend to stare at the computer. I know I'm a big culprit of that.
Oh, yes.
And basically what that means is that blink is super important to coating the front surface of the eye. And if we're not blinking, just tears evaporate faster, and that can lead to dry eye. So really and truly, a lot of patients can be a good candidate for IPL.
All right, doctor, let's talk about the obvious question here. Does it hurt?
Yeah, so not really. So really much it feels like probably the brightest light you'll ever experience. And then afterwards, that first pulse, you'll feel some warmth. But other than that, our patients don't complain, so they're pretty happy with it.
Startle,
yeah,
right?
It's a startle, basically. Mm-hmm.
And I know that it might have some underlying nice effects as well, right?
For sure. So like I said, it started as a dermatological tool for patients. So an added benefit and after treating the dry eye is you also get reduced so we increase the cosmesis, so reduce wrinkles around the facial region, which is a nice added bonus.
Wonderful. Mm-hmm. And how often should patients have this treatment done?
So usually after the first series, which is about 3 to 4 sessions, we revisit in 6 to 12 months afterwards and see by patient-to-patient basis if they need more.
Well, doctor, thank you so much for the information. This is wonderful news. If you guys want more info, all you have to do is call 713-963-0021 or just log on to HoustonEyePro.com. Routine eye exams are essential to maintaining our eye health and vision, so be proactive and be sure to schedule your appointment at Houston Eye Professionals. And that is definitely what I'm going to have to do. I think that I need to readjust my glasses prescription.
Oh, yes.
You really notice it when it starts to take them off and everything is blurry. It's definitely time for me to
We were just saying it's time for me to go in as well. Thanks for that,
That's a good
Lauren.
reminder.
Thanks, guys. Yeah.